Hi guys, welcome to the Success Gusto YouTube channel. We generate videos related to OET. If you are interested in our online and offline classes, you can contact us. All the information is given in the description box below.
Good afternoon, Sonia. My name is Stephen. One of the nursing managers working here in this hospital. You seem to be a bit upset today. Could you please tell me what made you angry?
Yes, I am not happy at all staying in this hospital. It was a nightmare for me last night. I feel that I should take discharge from the hospital.
I understand. I am sorry to hear that you had a bad experience in the hospital last night. Would you mind telling me a bit more about it so that I can help you in a better way?
It was pathetic. I am just being operated, and I was in severe pain last night. I rang the bell for seeking some pain relief. It took 20 minutes before anyone answered my phone call. This is not just what happened. The second time I was wondering about seeking assistance for going to the washroom. The delayed response made me go on my own, keeping my health at stake. Is this the kind of care you give to your patients? I wish to go home. I believe my family members can take better care of me.
Thanks for the information and sincere apologies from our side. This is something very uncommon happened in our hospital in my 10 years of service. Last night there were 4 emergency operations. I hope you understand the criticality of the emergencies. Most of the staff were busy assisting them. Moreover, due to the flu epidemic, we had understaffing last night.
I can understand the emergencies, but I can't digest this understaffing problem. It has nothing to do with me, and your management should take care of it.
I respect your statement, and for the same, I have already sent an email to the management, and they have arranged 50 more nurses on duty. And yes, to make sure that you do not face any inconvenience here, I will arrange a nurse for you who will take care of you 24 hours during your stay. I hope that will be all right.
All right? That's so nice of you. Thank you. I am a human being and I understand the situations, but that does not excuse nurse from reprimanding me when there was no one to help despite of several calls for us.
Once again, I am incredibly sorry for the inconvenience caused to you last night. That is something very unusual, and I will certainly talk with the nurse who did so and will make sure that she never repeats it. My sincere apologies for the same. Could you please tell me something about your present health condition? How is your pain now?
That's all right. I am not okay. I am in pain, and I believe that I would require pain relief medications regularly and walking assistance too.
Okay, if I ask you to rate your pain on a pain scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the slight pain and 10 being the severe pain, how much would you rate?
I would say near about 8 on the pain scale.
That's the severe category of pain. Don't worry. The nurse I will assign for you will help you in walking and will arrange all the required medications for pain relief. As you asked me about the discharge, it will not be in your interest, especially without your doctor's consultation, as the usual recovery time is 4 to 5 days, and you need to stay in the hospital till the time you are recovered fully. Once you will recover fully, we will have a quick review with the doctor and he can plan your discharge.
I understand, it's just I was not happy with the last night experience. Now I am okay to stay here. I don't need a discharge now.
Alright, thank you so much. Is there anything else I may help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much. You have been a great help. I appreciate that.
You are most welcome, Sonia. So now I will leave and will arrange a nurse for you and will quickly arrange your pain medications in a while and will make sure that you have a great time here. And I will give you a booklet which contains post-operative management information. Along with that you will find information related to healthy diet as well as advice about healthy lifestyle. You please take care of yourself and stay healthy.
Thank you. You have been a great help. Appreciated.
You are welcome. If you need any help, you can ring the buzzer or you can reach me at the number mentioned in the booklet. I will be more than happy to assist you.
Thank you for watching the video. For more information, you can contact us at 9717020196 or visit our website www.thesuccessgusto.in. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.